Well, what is happening, guys? I wanted to share with you, I just wanted to make a quick video. I just picked up this Lincoln Electric Flux Core wire feed welder, 90 IFC. I got it at Lowe's. It was like $330, something like that. And this replaces, I have an old Sears arc welder. I think it's a 90 amp 110 arc welder. That's what you've seen me use in the past. If you've been around long enough, I haven't welded in a while, but been around long enough, that's what I've used in the past. I will tell you right now, we are not going to weld with this thing today. I'm just going to open up the box, get it set up, looked at, kind of give my first impressions. I have never ever even used a wire feed welder, so take it for what it's worth. It ain't worth very much. Oh, this is a little guy. I did pick up a set of, what do we got here, 035 tips and some 035 wire. I don't know if this comes with any wire, but it said it was compatible with this NR211MP RSP wire, and the place I used to work, the 035 is what we used a lot, and since I did the purchasing there, I purchased a lot of 035 wire. Of course, we would use the big 30-pound spools of it, not these little, I don't know what this is, like 2 pound. All right, look at that. There it is. What is this, like a little shoulder strap instruction manual? I'm definitely going to be looking at that. I got to start reading instructions on stuff. So like I said, I don't know. I have no idea what this comes with. The packaging left, to be honest, it left a lot to be desired. Of course, it explained everything in Spanish, but so this is a 110 volt. Sorry, I'm just looking at it for the first time. Like I said, I'm just giving my first impressions. Okay, there's no wire. There is a tip in here. I'm going to need my glasses or something to see that. So that's where our, is there a place where I can store tools? See, our welders where I used to work had like compartments where you can, you know, oh, that's interesting. That must be your feed for your wire. They had compartments where you could store extra parts. I'm sure the instructions might say something, but so our wire is going to go on there like so. So my whole purpose, oh, that's okay, twist and there we go. I'm not gonna set this up right now. I'm just gonna kind of have it on there. I'm gonna leave these in there so I don't misplace them. So my purpose for purchasing this welder, we have a lot of stuff out here. The trailer is one of them. The old trailer is falling apart. It needs to be, the expanded metal on it, the welds have broken, other parts have just broken over the years. And where I used to work, I had access to people and tools where if I needed something welded, I can just go in there and say, hey, can you weld this for me? And they would. Those people are all gone though, so I can't do that anymore. Is there a reasonable place to hang this? So, like I said, things are stacking up around here that need to be welded. There's like, I mean, it comes with a nice little hook to hang it, but there's nowhere to actually hang it on the machine. I'm guessing the strap goes there. I don't know if I'll use the strap, but anyway, sorry. So things are getting a little behind that need to be welded. So that's what this machine is for. I'll probably have it stored in the shop here. I'm not going to use it very much, but when I do need it, it's going to be nice. Now I got a 20 amp circuit in the shop, and I've seen some videos that have some issues on the 20 amps where they'll pop the breaker. So I got to be mindful of that. I do have a 4,000 watt generator that I used to use to run my house that I can use on this. I use it on my arc welder too, and it seems like welding with the generator, for one reason or another, is easier than welding right from the plug in the shop. I don't know if the power's cleaner, I don't know, but we'll get you in a little closer. So here she is. It's got your on and off switch back here, your line speed and dials and power and stuff up front here, a couple LED lights. I'm not sure, I'll have to read the instructions, I'm not sure exactly what they mean. This appears to be like a feed switch, like when you load your line you can just kind of burp, 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 you know, do your thing. That's what it appears to be, but I don't know. Here's a handy little chart. So look at this. So you've got, oh yeah, so it looks like, so 20 gauge would be 1.5, 3 point. So yeah, it's got a nice little chart here. Oh, there's 035. Sweet. So there's recommended settings for welding depending on what you're welding. Wire feed set. All your instructions are right here. That's kind of nice. I'll have to take a photograph of that and keep it on the computer. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna get the wire loaded in it and ready to go, but I'm gonna look through the instructions and we'll be back. All right, so something I just learned the hard way. I didn't read the instructions. It's fairly straightforward, but I did not put this little retainer on top of the spool before I opened it up, and I made a mess with the wire spring. So I think I got it fairly decent on there. I hope I do, at least. So yeah, definitely worth reading the instructions, which I will be doing. I don't know how you keep that from, I mean, it's going to want to unspool no matter what. I'm going to have to keep my eye on that. But I'm going to get a new wire, a new roll, just in case I screwed up this roll. It also came, so I was able to take a photograph and zoom in, and the tip it came installed with was an 035 tip, but the wire wouldn't go through it. So I don't know if it got damaged somehow. I don't know. I opened up my 035 tips, put one on, and the wire went through it just perfectly fine. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to show everybody this just the initial look at this little welder. You can see how small it is compared to my sugar-free 7-Up. Not sponsored. Boy, that'd be cool if they did though, right? I would definitely take that sponsorship. I don't even need any money, just send me free 7-Up. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to probably tomorrow doing some welding with this thing and showing you guys.